In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to undo changes on Weebly websites. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave browser, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you or you have it in your PC. As an example, you have the Microsoft Edge, the Google Chrome, Opera, Firefox, or even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. So just go to that browser, and once it's opened, you will have to go to this URL section and simply type weebly.com and hit the enter button, and that will take you directly to the Weebly home screen or main screen website. So here you will have, of course, to log in into your account if you have one by clicking at this login at the top right corner. Once you click on it, you will have to fill your email or username, then of course enter your password. Or you can log in with your Facebook, Google, or even Square. Of course, if you don't have an account, you'll have to click instead of login into sign up at the top right corner again. And if you click on it, as you can see here, you will have to enter all this informations: first name, email, last name, confirm your email, create a password, then the local. Agree to their term of service. Then, of course, click at continue and you will have successfully created your account. So if you just created your account, they'll ask you what kind of website would you like to create? And you need a website or a website with online store. So for you, choose whatever suits you. For me as an example, I just need a website. And here, of course, you'll have to choose a theme and etc. and go through all of this alone if you want. And you will be good to go. So once you have your website ready, you will have to publish your website, of course, in a web domain that you already have, or you can just go and buy one. You will be good to go. So as I said in the beginning of this story, you would like to undo changes. So let's just click on edit sites. And as an example, let's just wait for this until it loads. It should not take a lot of time. Okay, so once it's loaded, you'll find your sites here. Let's say, example now, let's just delete this, be happy, be healthy, and alive. Let's just delete this. Now, if I want to undo it, what can I do? If I go to this left element and click on show all elements, as you will see, I'll not find any undo elements. And even if I press the Control Z option, I'll not find any my changes like come back or undo it. Because Weebly does not have an undo feature. More or less, just delete it and do it again, or whatever you delete, you'll have to go and do it again by yourself. But there's an exception, of course. In case of text, you can still often press the Control Z, as I said, in your keyboard, and that will undo what you have just done. As an example, this text process, if I go here and try to change this, let's just delete as an example. Now, if I press Control Z, it will go back, and that will undo the changes. So this was actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.